Hey winemakers, Adam here with Village Winery Home Winemaking, and today I'm going to show you how I clean out one of my 30-gallon stainless steel fermenters. First, I'll take it off its pedestal. Next, we'll drain the spent leaves from the bottom of the fermenter. Next, I'll use my hose to rinse the loose debris off the inside walls. Next, I'll add about 5 tablespoons of one-step no-rinse cleaner to a 5-gallon container. And then fill that 5-gallon container with warm water, making sure that the cleaner is dissolved. And now, being sure that all the valves on the tank are closed, we're going to take this cleaning mixture and dump it right into our fermenter. Now, we'll take the rough side of a regular sponge and gently scrub the debris off the inside tank walls. I've still got a bit of work left to do in here. Now we'll rinse off what we just scrubbed and open the top valve to get that cleaned out a little bit. Once the top valve is good and rinsed, open the bottom valve to drain the tank. Keep scrubbing spots you might have missed as the tank drains. This batch produced a lot of tartrates, so I'm having to work pretty hard to get some of the debris off the side of the tank. Now we sanitize. Put about an ounce of Star Sand sanitizing liquid into a 5-gallon container, and then fill that container with water. Now I'm going to pour the sanitizing mixture into our fermenter. Now I'm going to use my hands to splash that sanitizing liquid over every surface in the fermenter, up on the walls, up on the ceiling. We'll get it really covered. Look at the inside of the fermenter. Nice and sudsy. Let the sanitizing liquid sit in the fermenter for about 10 minutes. After it's been in the fermenter for about 10 minutes, open the top valve and let some sanitizing liquid flow through it. Now that the top valve has been flushed, open the bottom valve and drain the tank. Now, with the bottom valve open, I'm going to use my hose and rinse the suds off the walls. Now, I'll remove both valves from the fermenter so I can take them away and clean them out real good. And that's it. Our fermenter is clean and sanitized. It's going to go back on the shelf, and it's ready for the next batch. I'm thinking the next batch is going to be a Gewürztraminer made from juice from grapes from the Lake Erie coast of New York. I'd love it if you join me when I start that batch in a few days. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you there.